Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What do you got there? Looks like another catfish, by the way. It's fighting, or is it a bream? Bream? Baby?
It's a baby bream.
Little baby bream.
Baby bream.
Jeez, mate, how many fish have you caught so far? Did you put?
It's the third one.
Did you wipe your bum with toilet paper this morning? They seem to be hanging around you today.
No, I don't poo at all.
You alright? You want a pair of pliers to get it out? You want a pair of pliers to get it out, or are you right? Sounds like he's alright, everyone. Here we go. I think I got a bite.
Okay.
Yep, I got a bite, I think.
See you later.
I had a bite. What do you guys know? I wonder if it's a catfish. Pulling pretty good like a catfish. No? Bream, is it? Is it a bream? Yeah.
Not a bad size, isn't it?
Oh, he's a bit small to keep anyway.
Think he's too small?
Yeah, he's too small. Yeah, he's only about 7 centimetres. Well done, show me to the camera.
25. Too small?
Yeah, too small. Yeah. He's a good fighter. Nice, another bream. Yeah. No, but they're a decent size. We would keep them years ago. It's a nice sized fish. It's about
14 centimetres.
8 centimetres. Pistol over your elite all over your leg. And hold it up and just look at him when you finish with him. Just look at him, hold him up, hold him up.
He's not big enough, eh?
No. You don't have to throw him and kill him. Look at this net, I think.
Don't know what he is.
He's a decent size, whatever he is.
I don't know what it is, but it's a big fish.
Right, yeah. And then try and scoop him back into this net if you can. Jeez, he's a decent size one. Hey. Big platy or something. He's got you going.
Yes.
You make it sound like it's really hard. Yeah, try not to wind it when you've got a full tension on it.
Yeah.
Wind it when he loosens off like that. That's it. I wonder if it's a shark. Ah, it's a big catfish.
Can you eat that?
Nah, remember we threw one of them out before?
Oh, it is too.
He's a big one. Okay, now we're going to get
So
crap all over. No.
Hear him grunting.
Decent size. Just hold
Still
off a minute.
grunting away. He's not happy. He wants to go back in, I think.
Decent sized one, alright. Yeah. He's gone. Come back here. I reckon it's a big catfish, I reckon. He's gone under the boat.
The same as I had.
Don't know yet.
Good sized fish.
They fight well, the old catfish, if it's a catfish. Yeah, it's a big dirty black catfish. Big dirty black catfish. Yeah, she's 30 centimetres, that one.
You can't eat it, huh?
Yeah, he's about 30 centimetres. He's a decent sized one. I'm going to hold that for a minute. Just hold it so that you, that's it, just there. Yeah. Actually, face it to me a little bit. That's, no, turn the other way. That's it, like that, yeah. Come on, open your mouth. He doesn't want to open his mouth so I can't get the things in it. Still wanting to get me leg. Jeez, you got a tough jaw on him, haven't they?
Yeah. Oh, well done.
Fine.
30 centimetres.
Oh, sorry.
Horrible. Wish it was some decent fish. You got your rod in? Yeah, so he's a decent size one, that one. Compared to that young fella over there, it's a decent sized fish. Fighting well, there's plenty of them. By the looks of things, they're all the way through everything, so yeah. There we go. See you later, Mr. Catfish. That's him. Probably another catfish, you reckon? Does it feel like it? No, a little bream. A tiny bream. Around about 4 centimetres. He likes catching the little fish. Yeah, you gotta watch yourself. Just put your fingers in his gills, that's it. Few little fishies under us. Well, not biting. Another big log coming. A big log coming.
Big log.
Yeah. Root.
There, does it?
Yeah, you can put it in that one. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you certainly got yourself a good boat.
Yeah. Julie loves it.
Does she?
Yeah, she loves coming out of it now. Yeah. She certainly does.
Yeah, you come down a long way.
Yeah. Yeah, he's gone about 3 k's.
About 3 k's.
Yeah. So there we go, a little bit faster. Yeah, tide's not doing much, like he hasn't been moving around at all.
Oh, yes?
He's got something. What's he got? No. No big logs in front.
Oh, he's flying.
Someone's esky over there. On the sand over here. Esky. With wheels on it.
Paint's not too bad.
No, it's not too bad. Ooh, yeah. I got one. Oh, yeah, still got him? No, I lost him. Bugger. You still got him? I'll give you a hand. They've got a spike on them, and if you get caught, you'll know it, I'll tell you. Now, where's me pair of pliers? Oh, shit. Lost him.
No, I started a fish till I was 3.5. I started fishing. Dead.
Yeah, I've never seen one like that. Can you swing him around this way, Parz? Take him right around and bring him around this way. Swing him around. Don't lean over this side though. Shit. Please stay over that side. There he goes. Gonna get a bit of a wave in a minute, Parz. You're gonna get a wave coming up behind you, so just be ready for it.
Shit, that went live quick. Got him? Yeah, he's strong. There he goes. Look at that catfish. Pulling pretty good off the catfish. No? Bream, is he? A little bream? Yeah.
Not a bad size, is it? Not a bad size, is it?
Oh, he's a bit small to catch and keep anyway.
Is too small?
Bit small to catch, keep anyway.
Is too small?
Yeah, he's too small. Yeah, he's only about 7 centimetres. Well done, show me to the camera.
Too small?
Yeah, too small. Yeah. Well done, smart ass.
Yeah.
Well, caught what, about half a dozen fish so far?
Oh, that's a few fish we caught. How's your mum going?
Good. Yeah, really good. There's a lot of wood and crap around, isn't there?
There is.
Big lumps of wood. So what time do you want to go and see Marzi?
Oh.
Not in a real hurry.
No, we caught the
Yeah.
two.
And we leave here, go to Janet's, and then you go back home, have a shower, and then go and see Marzi, yeah?
Susie's going away this morning.
Oh, she.
Now, pliers. Why is that not coming out?
Yes, I've never seen one of those before.
Yeah, they're the ones I've been catching.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got him? Let's have another look at him.
Thanks for that.
That's alright. Oops, it's been running. It's a decent, it's bigger than ones I've caught. Maybe 30, about 12, 14 centimetres.
Really, no, about 32 centimetres.
There he goes. You're going to get a wave coming up behind you, so just be ready for it. Right. I was just loosening it off so it's easy to move. Just sit back and relax now. Yeah, if this was connected to the motor, it'll tell me it's getting low on battery charge. Fucking idiots. Fucking dicks. Got no respect for other people, have they? Some more waves behind us. Oh yeah. He's going to fucking miss us, isn't he?
I got wet.
Did you? Oh shit. Dirty bastard. Wish I'd fucking slow down. Here goes another one. Fucking hell. Now like fuck.
Am I going to get wet again?
Nah. Not this time. Dirty rotten bastards, eh? They're a decent size. We would keep them years ago. It's a nice size fish. It's about 8 centimetres. Pissed all over your leaked all over your leg. And hold it up and get oily when you finish with him. Okay guys, that was the end of the show. Hope you enjoyed it. A few fish. So it was good. We did catch a few anyway, so it was the main thing. Catch us later.